Hi, welcome back to another video. This is Ahmad with the new video, and in today's video we will talk about UV. So what is UV? UV is a Python package and project management tool which is written in Rust, and it's pretty awesome because it's very fast than the existing tools Poetry, PDM, and PipSync, and it's all in one tool. Like, it can do the what pip is doing, dependency management, it can create the virtual environment for you, it can do the project management for you. So it's all in one tool which can do pretty much everything for you. And yeah, so that's why you should use UV. And for people who have subscribed to my channel, we are going to use this tool for all the new videos. So yeah, that's video just for reference. If you are not familiar about the UV, you can check, always come back to this video and so just see how the pip work, how this UV tool work. And couple of highlights, like it's faster, you can manage multiple Python version, you can run the scripts, you can install and publish the Python packages, and it's disk space efficient, it's faster. Now let's talk about how to install it. So from the documentation, you can see how to install it, or if you have pip in your system, you can use that to install this. And that's exactly what I am going to do here. So I have the pip, I will run this command. So in my case, I have already installed it, but once you will run this command, it will install the tool for you. So let's do the first thing for you, the project management and how to create a project using this tool. So I will go here and I will walk you through from here. So pretty straightforward. You will copy this command from here and you will do this, and it will create the project for you. And if you go to the project file, you can see that it created this project meta file for you, which have all the project details. It created this main.py file for you, which is our main script, and I'm going to show you just in a couple of minutes how to run this file. And then it have this Python version file, which is going to have your Python version. So let's see how to do, what else we can do with this tool. Okay, for that I will use, okay, so you can run any command or script using this tool. You can init the project, you can add dependencies, you can remove dependencies, you can publish a tool, you can create a virtual environment. So it's a list of pretty much all of the things you can do with this tool. So let's quickly create a virtual environment. For that, first I will do UV and V, env, and I will name my environment dev. So very fast, it just created this here. And how to activate this, I will copy this command from here and I will put it here, and it activated the field. Now to show you how to add any dependency, I will run this command. So this is a dependency which I am adding, and boom, less than quick, in just in 9 millisecond, it added this dependency, and you can see here it's there. Okay, let's add another one. Boom, it added another dependency. So that's fast, that's much fast we are talking about here. And yeah, that's a quick tutorial, and you can see pretty much all of these details here, like how to install different versions of the Python, how to install Python. You can install any version of Python, and it is very helpful if you are working on multiple projects which have a different version of Python. It will save you a lot of time, believe me. And you can have multiple versions of the Python, you can switch between them, and you can reinstall, you can run different script, you can use tools, you can work on project, you can read all of this information from here. And you can use and Docker image, Jupyter, how can you can integrate with all of these. So that's pretty much all about this video, and that's it. Stay tuned for more such good content, and till then, thank you.